Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Summary of Part 2 of Holy Quran. The second part of Quran contains the main portion of Surah Al-Baqarah, the largest surah of Holy Quran. The key topics covered in this part of Quran are as follows. Change of Qibla. The Holy Qibla Center for Muslims remained as Jerusalem for 16 or 17 months after the migration to Medina. Holy Prophet like Kaaba, in Mecca, to be the Qibla. Allah changed the Qibla on the wish of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Ayat a-Bar and chapters of Bar. Al-Baqarah, 177. This verse is called Bar, in which all the commandments and rulings related to beliefs, worships, affairs, society and morals are briefly mentioned. There are many jurisprudence rulings in this ayat covering few topics like Sai of Safa Marwa. Prohibition of eating carcasses, blood, pork and slaughtered meat on which Allah's name is not taken. Retributive justice, qisas. Will. Fasting. Dedicated worshipping, itikaf. Prohibited livelihood. Lunar calendar. Jihad. Hajj. Almsgiving for the sake of Allah Almighty. Migration. Alcohol and gambling. Marriage with polytheists. Intercourse during menstruation. Divorce. A period of time during which a divorced or widowed woman may not remarry, iddat. Breastfeeding. Amount paid at time of marriage, mahr. Marrying multiple women and other topics. The story of the plague. Some people were afflicted with the plague. They moved to another city for fear of death. Allah sent 2 angels killed them, so that people may know that no one can escape death. Gave them life again at the request of a prophet. How Saul's army defeated Goliath's army. Describe in detail how Saul's army defeated Goliath's army by the command of Allah Almighty despite of its small size.